Hi everyone, let's make these beautiful flowers. First we are making the green sticks. So roll this green craft paper. Now we are going to make the flowers. So take this pink craft paper, fold it and make multiple cuts using scale and cutter. Now open it, fold it and paste it using double-sided tape like we are doing here. Paste another double-sided tape. Same way we are going to make another piece of flower using this yellow craft paper. Then we are going to roll first the yellow one, then the pink flower like we are doing here, and look, it is ready. You can make more such flowers. Let's make these smiley flowers using paper cup. Cut the upper portion, make multiple cuts, press it and curl the petals like we are doing here using a stick. After that, draw a smiley face of the flower like this. Now roll green stick and we are going to cut the leaf like this. Paste all of them together and look, your flower sticks are ready. Let's make these beautiful flowers. So roll a green paper, make a stick, paste it using glue, then take two different craft paper. First roll the stick using yellow paper. Now take red craft paper, cut it like we are doing here. Now we are going to make a petal like shape and roll it like this around the stick, and look, your flower is ready. Same way we are going to paste its leaves together, curl them as well, and it's ready. We're going to make these colorful flowers. So cut a red circle, same way cut 7 such circles and paste all of them one after another using glue. After this we are going to open all of them like we're doing here, and look, your flower is ready. Then we are going to paste smiley face at the center, cut leaf using green craft paper, roll a stick and paste all of them together, and look, your smiley flowers are ready. In this video, we are going to make origami tulip flowers. So take a square yellow paper and start folding it. Make a triangular shape, fold it from its sides, flip it and again start folding it. Here we are making the petals of the flower. So fold it from its sides and tug it inside like this. Gently open all the petals, pull it downwards. You'll get 4 petals like this. Now take green craft paper, fold it. We are going to make the leaves of the tulip flower. Fold it like this. Make 2 such shapes and put the flower at the center, and look, your flowers are ready. We are going to make this beautiful rose bouquet using toffee wrapper. We are going to make the rose, so fold the toffee wrapper and start twisting and folding it from one corner, and again twist it and roll it. You will get a beautiful rose. Then we are going to cut a small piece of blue craft paper, make multiple cuts on it and start folding it in V shape. We are going to wrap the flower around it, then make more such flowers and make a bouquet. Then we are going to fold it like this and make a beautiful bouquet, and it's done. Let's make this flower bouquet. We are going to fold this yellow square craft paper from its diagonals, flip it and again fold it like this. Again flip it and we are going to make 3 folds. We are making crease here, so fold it again like this. Now open it and draw lines on it and cut it on the lines. Then we are going to fold and you'll get 4 petals and paste all of them like this using glue, and you will get your flower. Then we are going to roll a green craft paper, make the stick, make 4 cuts on it, spread it and paste the flower on the top of it like this. Then we are going to make the leaves of the flower. So cut another green craft paper, paste all of them together. Then we are going to make a bouquet by covering it using this blue craft paper, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.